Hello everyone. So today basically we are working on that hard reset, soft reset and merge. So these three things we will learn today. Okay, so basically first go with that hard reset. What is hard reset? Hard reset is nothing but this is if you were push something by mistake. Okay, if you push something by mistake, so that is, so now you want to back to your previous commit. How you back? So that is only possible with that hard reset. Okay, so how? First, like check git log so our last commit is added a new file. This is our last commit. Okay, now I push something. Okay, so nano like b.txt. Okay, so now in our folder two files is there. Okay, one file is a.txt, that is our previous file. Another file is b.txt, this is our new file. Okay, so now check git status. See, one file is left. So now we are adding this. So how to add? Git commit -am added b file. So this is our new commit. Push. Okay, sorry, first git add okay, add is complete. Now git commit -am, so added new file 2. Now check git log. Check, this is our last commit. Okay, now we need to push. Okay, before push we, so the okay, so first imagine we have some mistake in our b.txt file. Okay, so now we need to back to our previous commit. That previous commit is this commit, means added new file. How to back? Git reset -- or hyphen hard, then that previous commit, that commit id, that previous commit id. Okay, so this is the command. Enter. Now check git log. Check added new file is last commit. Added new file 2 is deleted permanently. Okay, if you back to your previous commit after pushing, like nano a.txt, change again. Okay, so next git status, then git add then this file, then git commit added again. This is our commit. Okay, now push. Okay, check that git log. This is our new commit. Then push, git push origin, then our branch name. That branch name is git learning. Push. Username is simply developer. Password is not simply Now push. Now check git log. So now you back to your previous commit. So git reset hard, then this commit id. Okay, now check git log. So your last commit is now added new file, but previously your last commit was added again. Okay, so now how you push new commits means this is your new commits and this is your previous commit. So then git push origin, then branch name, then forcefully, then -f. -f means you push something forcefully. Okay, pushed, done. This is your force updated. This is hard reset, means you push something by mistake or you committed something by mistake, so you back to your previous commit. Okay, then how to amend? Amend means like check in this commit list. In this commit list 1 2 3 4 5 commits there. Now you merge the all commits in a single commits. This is amend. Okay, or you think in a different way, like you back to your previous commit. Okay, you back to your previous commit without any change, means you don't change in your code or in your structure or anything, but you back to your previous commit, means this commit message you can change or you back to your previous commit, but codes or something what you push that you don't want to change. How to do that? So this command is git reset soft, then like this commit. If you if you pick this commit, so your soft reset up to this. Check git log 1 up to this. Your last commit is this one. Now you amend all those 3 commits. So how to amend? Git commit -amend -m new commit. Okay, so this commit is replaced by last 3 commits, this one and this one. Check git log, new commit is there. Okay, I think you understood. If you not, then please comment me. Okay, another thing, so hard reset is done, soft reset also, and now we are move forward to that merge. How to merge? Okay, so git checkout -b for create a new branch and switch to that new branch. Okay, that new branch name is git tutorial 2. Oh sorry, spelling mistake. Now check git now in your local these 2 branches there. First one is git learning, that is our previous branch, and our new branch is git learning git tutorial 2. First one is git learning, second one is git tutorial 2. Now push something like git ab.nanoab.txt, create a new file, hello world. Okay, check git status, so git add that file, git commit -m added new file. Okay, then git push origin, that git tutorial 2. Okay, so check in our GitHub, check here 2 branches created. So in that git tutorial 2, check A and AB. Why A is coming? Because we are actually created this new branch from that previous branch. Okay, so if you will create a branch from another branch, so by default in your new branch all commits are same in your previous branch. Means basically this is a copy. Means if you create a branch A from B, so the whole thing in this B, the whole thing in that B, all those things copied from that B to A. Okay, or A to B, like that. Like, okay, I will learn. So like this is your A branch, this branch is A, and this branch is B. Okay, if you created like in that A, like some file is there, like okay, in that A, like A is there. Okay, only A. But if you create B branch from A, so in that B both is there, A also, because you created from the A, so A is by default is there, and if you create new, so new is also there. Okay, but in our previous branch only one file is there. Now we are merging both branch, git learning and git tutorial. How to merge? Then git checkout, git learning. Okay, now we need to merge. So how to merge? Git git merge, and then git tutorial to merge is done. Okay, now check in that git learning, reload. Oh, something is wrong. Wait, I will check. Oh, sorry, we need to push. Git push origin and then git learning. I think we need to push forcefully. Check now. So in that git learning branch, a.txt and b.txt, both branches there. Okay, and another last thing. Now like you create a.txt, hello okay, then git add this file, git commit -m added new one. Please remember this commit, okay. Git push origin git learning so check that git log. So in that git log last commit is added new one, okay. Now check out to git checkout, what happened, git checkout git tutorial 2, okay. So in here last commit is added new file. So now we reverse with git learning. Reverse is basically nothing but this is like a git merge. So if you merge something, so check out to that branch, then you will merge. But if you reverse something like git reverse, then that branch name git learning. Okay, I think I missed it. Yeah, reverse is done. Check. So in this branch last commit is now added new one, but previously added new file. Okay, so that is git reverse. So basically we actually give small demo like this is one branch, this is another branch, okay. If you merge both branch, then check out to like you merge A, this is A and this is B, so you will merge A branch with B branch, then you check out to B, then merge with B. Or you already stay in B, you want to merge with A, then you just reverse with A, okay. So that is basically reverse and merge. Basically both are basically same thing. So you will use one or two. This is only your choice. Okay. Bye bye. Tata. So I think this session is up to this. If you learn about more, with for Git, if you learn about more Git, so please comment me. I will make more videos. But up to this, I think Git is totally done, means for your work on. Okay, bye bye.